Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to allow your followers to add you to group chats on Instagram using your PC. Instagram has introduced some updates recently, and if you're using the web version, a few settings may feel slightly hidden. Don't worry, this will only take a minute. First, go ahead and open Instagram on your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Click on that to open the menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control various privacy and messaging options. Next, find and click on Messages and Story Replies. This section is where Instagram lets you manage who can contact you and how they can interact with your messages. Once you're inside, look for Message Controls. Click on it, and you'll see several options related to who can send you messages or add you to group chats. Now, focus on the option that says Who can add you to group chats. Here, you want to choose people you follow or have messaged before.